Alright, so here's the front of the hive. Oh, opens up. Take the cover off. We have some front dividers. We'll move a couple. So this is a divider to stop them from growing comb right up against the main entrance of the hive, this is the main entrance. There's also additional 3 holes on that side over there, and this is just for ventilation. So this will hopefully prevent them from growing comb right there. The slats are numbered, bars 1 through 16. There's a second divider, so you can actually make the hive smaller to start off with. Let's see, it'll come out if you just turn it, and it's just primarily for ventilation. Bees won't be able to crawl through that. We have this is our feeder. Take a look in here. They'll crawl down this galvanized mesh, down the hole, tube, it's braided, down to here. This is painted with white and a UV clear on the jar to prevent the sugar water or the feed, or hopefully not, but medicine degrading on the sun, and degradation, antibiotic degradation, making it mute, be able to crawl back out of that. This comes out pretty easy. I'll show you real quick. Move that bar, it just lifts, comes right out. There is a secondary plug for when you're not using the feeder. Put that in there for a second. This will just act as a vent port on the side there. And if you come around back to the back of the hive, you have this awesome vent here, which is just screened on the back side. There's R10 insulation on the other side of this ply. Let's see, let's pop this back out. It's not a hard system, I don't think, but it works. There's a little cut here, which is the down. It goes in and then up, like so. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bow. And I think the bees will be very, very excited for this. Oh, let's count. Can we remember how to count? Yes. 3 comes after 2.